I think the mystery behind this creepy TikToker may have just been solved. So this TikToker says that they messaged them on Facebook. After messaging them, they learned that the quote creepy TikToker has kids. These kids are more than likely what we were seeing on this video screen. They also learned that Sabrina had bought this house for $5,000 in order to remodel it, and that Sabrina apparently has their own construction company. Some things that haven't really been explained are the crossbow and the random deer in the dog cage. But Sabrina may just like to hunt, so that's probably all that it is. I think we can call this case closed.